If you want Chrome to save your downloads in a different folder, this video is going to show you exactly how to change the download location in Chrome in just a few quick steps. This is super useful if you want your files saved to your desktop, documents folder, downloads folder, or even an external drive instead of the default location. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu there. Click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can customize different parts of your browser. On the left side of the settings screen, look for the Downloads option and click it. This is the section where Chrome controls how and where your downloaded files are saved. Now you'll see your current download location listed under Location. To change it, click the Change button next to that path. A folder window will open, and this is where you can choose the new place you want Chrome to use for downloads. You can select a folder on your desktop, in your documents, in your downloads folder, or on an external drive if that's where you prefer to keep your files. Once you've selected the folder you want, click Select Partida. Chrome will immediately update the download location to that new path. From now on, any file you download in Chrome will automatically be saved to the new folder you chose. That's all there is to it. You've now changed the download location in Chrome, and you can stay more organized by saving files exactly where you want them. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want help with more Chrome settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.